Good evening. You're welcome to our today's lecture. Today we take a look at mathematics. Today we take a look at mathematics. And the topic is change of subject of formulae. Formulae. This topic is very important, not just in a mere expression. Am I communicating? Something like this, x plus y. This is just an expression. It becomes an equation. This is you equate it. If you equate to something like 0, it becomes an what? Equation. Am I communicating? So you can have something like this. You can have an equation like this. The subject of the formula here is y. Am I communicating? You may get to a point where you need to make this x the subject of what? The formula. Am I communicating? Now, if you watch y is equal to kx, the operation between k and x is multiplication. Am I communicating? Is multiplication. So for you to be able to make free this x, you will use an operation that is opposite to what is holding this x here, to free x. So because this is multiplication, you divide. Multiplication opposite is what? Division. What do you know? So that means you divide both sides. Divide this side by the same quantity. Divide this side by the same quantity for you to be able to get what? X. Free x from the whole of what? K. So to do that now, you do divide both sides by what? X. Am I completing? Sorry, by k. By what? K. K will cancel k here. And you left with y over k is equal to what? X. That means x is equal to what? Y over what? K. You are freed what? X. Am I completing? Now, sometimes you may have an equation, something like this. Okay, let me work with this one. Sometimes you may have something like this. Look at this one. X plus y is equal to 0. And you want to do what? You want to make this y, x, the subject of the formula. What is here is x plus 4, x plus y. The relationship between the operation between x and y is what? Plus. So for you to remove this y, to free y from x, what you do is this: you introduce an operation that will be opposite of what is here. So what it is that you introduce minus y here, okay? But you do it in both sides. So you do x plus y minus what? Y is equal to what? 0 minus what? Y. Are we together? Therefore, y minus y plus y minus y is what? 0 plus 0 is equal to what? 0 minus y is minus y minus y. That means x, if I do everything here is 0, that means x is equal to what? Minus y. That's why they just tell you, move as y crosses here, it becomes what? Negative sign. This is exactly what happened. The operation between x and y, you introduce negative of that operation. So x plus y, you introduce minus y to neutralize what? Y. Do it the same side, you get what? That x is equal to what? Minus y. The same thing, if your target is to make y the subject of the formula, the operation between x and y here is what? Plus, but this is plus. Hope you know that there's invisible plus. I hope you know. So that means you introduce minus x in both sides. So it becomes x minus x plus y is equal to what? 0 minus what? X. X minus x is 0 to go. So y is equal to what? Minus x. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Good. Now scenario where you have something like this. Let's assume you have that y squared xy squared is equal to z. Xy squared is equal to z. Or let me remove x for now. Y squared is equal to what? Z. So what are you going to do? Here now, what is there is what? Power. Square, right? Good. You will introduce something like the opposite of this. Opposite of square is what? Square root. That means you find square root of both sides. So this becomes what? Hope you know. Of course now, if this is a perfect square, hope you know. So y will go, right? So we are left with what? Now y is equal to what? Square root of what? Z. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So let's now look at an example. Our reference book for today is New General Mathematics for Senior Secondary School, Book 1 by M.F. McRae et al. Alright, so that should be what edition, Seth. If it's not right. Let's continue. So now let's now look at let's pick some questions from here and solve. You solve this one for me. Tell me the answer. The example is from our reference book. Make x the subject of the formula. Here the formula. A is equal to b in bracket 1 minus x. Oh yeah. Make x the subject of the formula. Fast. What? X is equal to what? Give her what? Is that your answer? Is that your answer? Let's check now. Solution. Here, where A you made 1 minus x the subject of the formula. You will not ask to make 1 minus x the subject is not yet complete. Do I give you extra 30 seconds to do that? Oh yeah, fast. X is what? B over what? B plus 1. To open the bracket, you use this B to multiply everything inside the bracket. Hope you know. B times 1 is what? B. B times minus X is what? Minus what? Bx. We have opened the bracket. So let us rearrange. Let's rearrange. Remember, our target is to make X the subject of the formula. So we will rearrange it in such a way that everything that bears X should come this side. Okay? So if we rearrange this now, we have something like this. This is something as saying that if you can give this minus bx, or if you add minus bx here, let's add. Remember what I taught you, right? You add minus bx here, so that you can neutralize this bx, okay, and add it here again. So if you add minus, if remember it is opposite to add, not minus. Sorry, add opposite here. You have a plus bx is equal to what? B minus bx plus what? Bx. Hope you know. Can I see the board? Can I see it now? Remember what I said in the beginning of the lecture. Normally, what you are taught is true, that you move it. This comes here, it becomes what? Positive. But I want to teach you where it came from. Simply, this is operation between this b and bs is minus. So simply add to, if we want this bs to disappear here, we add plus bs here. Plus bs here in both sides, right? This has become b minus bs plus bx. This will go, don't you know? So that means a plus bs is now equal to what? B. I follow. Is it confusing? Did you understand what I said in the beginning? So what did I say? Yes. Now listen. I could say I can just simply tell you to just carry this BS and put here. It becomes A plus BS. Is that the one you prefer? And go your way. Okay, no problem. But I'm telling you where it came from. That they added the opposite of this minus here. It becomes plus BS. Of course, minus BS plus BS is what? 0. Minus U plus U is 0. Two of us. So then, but you add it in both sides, right? That's why I added B. Remember, there's minus here. That's why I added what? Plus BS here. This, we turn this one to become what? 0. We are left with what? B. Remember, you also add it here. A plus BS. So, A plus BS is now equal to what? B. Is it clear? Now, remember, we have not finished what we want to do. Our target also is to let only BS remain here. If we want only BS to remain here, we'll carry this A and put it, add minus A here and get the answer. So if you add minus A here, you have A minus A, is it clear? Plus BS is equal to what? B minus what? A. Are we together? A minus A is what? 0. So you're left with what? BS is equal to what? B minus A. Is it clear now? But we are going to make X the subject of the formula, not what? Bx. What is the operation between B and X? So what do we do to remove B? Good. You divide both sides by what? B. Here again, B. This B will cancel this B. So X is now equal to what? B minus A over what? B. This is the answer. Is it clear now? Is it clear now?
Yes.
It's zero.
Yes. Yes.
Huh?
And keyword is yes and yes.
Is zero. The same thing now. Minus plus is zero. The same thing. This is the same thing now. Bx minus bx is same thing as saying minus bx plus what? Bx. There's a plus sign here. Invisible. You just rearrange it now. It's something. Is it clear now? Good. So that's the answer. Put this one down so that I'll solve it in another way. Good. Let's solve it using another method. Here, you don't need to open these brackets. Okay? You know that A is equal to B in bracket 1 minus x. Remember, your target is to make x the subject of the formula. Okay? So what you do is this. What is the operation between B and the one in brackets? So to clear this B, you do what? Eh? To clear B, you do what? You do what? Good. You divide both sides by what? B. So here now, A over B is now equal to what? B 1 minus x over what? B. B will not cancel B, right? You are now left with A over B is equal to what? 1 minus x. Two of us. Good. What is the operation between 1 and x? Subtraction, right? Remember that this is plus 1. Hope you know. Hope you know. It's plus 1. And then this is minus what? X. Remember. So, now, what do you think we can do here now? What do you think we can get? There are many ways we can do this. We can move minus s to come here, it become plus s. Move this one, it become minus. Hope you know. Are you aware? Okay. Okay. No problem. Just watch out. Just watch out. The operation between 1 and x is what? Minus. Now, what do you think we can do here now to get only x standing here? What do you think we can do here to get only x standing here? Think. What do you think we can do? We will take two steps. We are looking for x, not minus x, so below. Good. So we'll take two steps. We'll take what? Two steps. Now, look at the first step we'll take. This one here has plus. This is plus 1. Hope you know. If you want to remove this plus 1, we'll put minus 1. Hope you know. In both sides. Are you aware? Let's do it. So let's put minus 1 in both sides, right? So we have A over what? B minus 1, right? Is equal to what? 1 minus 1 minus what? X, right? A over B minus 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So we are left with what? Minus x. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Good. But what were we told to find? X, not minus x. So what other step do we take here? Are you aware that minus x is set as saying minus 1x? Are you aware? There's an invisible one here. But they don't write it. Are you aware? Yes, there's a coefficient is 1, it's minus 1 in this thing. But it's not here. You start seeing it. If it is 2, you have minus 2x. But this one, there's no one here, is minus 1x. Am I computing? It's minus what? 1x. Are we together? Minus what? 1x. So this is minus 1x. So what is the operation between minus 1 and x? So what do we do here to remove this minus 1? Good. Divide both sides by what? Minus 1. I follow you. Minus what? 1. I follow you. Good. So if this values now, what will be here? X, because minus will cancel minus, right? X. So what will remain here? What will happen to this one? If this minus, remember there is an invisible plus here, hope you know. This minus, if you divide everything here, this minus will change this one to what? And change one to what? Confirm. So we have what? Minus what? A over what? B plus what? Okay, sorry. It becomes what? Minus what? A over B plus what? 1, right? Is equal to what? X. Let's rearrange this so that plus will come first, okay? That means x is now equal to what? 1 minus what? A over what? B. True of us? True of us? Good. But let's complete it. Let's find the LCM and complete it, okay? Here, LCM here, what should be here? B, right? Remember that there's 1 here, right? Alright, what happened? 1 divided by what? B is what? BI. I know I could just take few steps and get this, but I'm breaking this thing down to put you through how this how do I put it? I'm showing you how these things came up, where they came from, so you understand mathematics. That's why I'm breaking it down like this. I want you to understand it. So when they say if this one moves to this side, it becomes minus. You know why it becomes minus when it moves. Okay. So this is exactly what happens. Okay. Yeah. But in exact condition, there's a decision that will be there. Or you don't need all this long story. You just go straight to the point and solve your question. Then this is what we are trying to do here. And ended up with what? Plus 1 is instead of what? It's even far. It should be 1 minus a over b. But it's okay, you tried. Alright, put it down. Okay, Ketampande from India, you're welcome. Crash Crefton, you're also welcome. Please share with your friends, share with your contact, invite them to join. Invite a contact to join us. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, click the notification button. Recommend the channel to your friends. Okay? All right. It's simple, right? Which one? This one is okay. You mean the second pattern, the second way of solving it. Okay, this one is simpler. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you can solve it. Okay? Go to the comment section. Shall we continue? All right. So let's. Do I give another question? Eh? No. You know, see, I do another question. I thought you said that you know. Don't worry. Do you know how important this is? If you don't know, let me be sincere with you. Do you know why I'm teaching this topic? If you don't know this topic, you have issues in solving calculation in chemistry. Because if you cannot make if you cannot make the variable you are looking for, the subject or the formula, you will fail that question. The same thing in physics, you will fail it. So that's why this is very, very important. It's a very important topic, not just in mathematics alone. In anything that has to do with what? Calculation. Okay, let's solve this question. Says, make X the subject of the formula. Make X the subject of the formula. A is equal to B plus X all over B minus X. You have 1 minute to solve this question. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello, my viewers. You are free to join us in solving this question. 1 minute. Drop the answer on the comment section. 1 minute. It's going. This is simple now. Very good. Very simple. What's the answer? X what? X equal to what? A B minus X over what? Over B. You are told to make X the subject of the formula. There should be no X here again now. No X should be here at all. X should be here. No X should be here at all. So it's wrong. Let me give you another 1 minute. No. You're tired of solving. All right. Let's solve it. Solution. Okay. Look at the question, the equation. Remember that this is something as saying A over 1 is equal to what? B plus X over what? B minus X. Hope you know. Are you aware? So we do what? We cross multiply. Are we together? If we cross multiply A times this, so we have A B X in bracket B minus X. I follow you. It's equal to this will times this. This one now is invisible, will become invisible. Hope you know. So we have B plus what? X. Are you aware? Good. Remember, our target is to make X the subject of the formula. So we will be forced to open these brackets. So we use A to multiply everything inside the brackets. A times B is what? AB minus A times X is what? AX is equal to what? Plus, this is plus S. Hope you know. If this plus S come here, it becomes what? Minus. And if this A be moved this side, it becomes what? Plus. So we have minus AX minus X is equal to what? B minus what? I follow you. Good. So remember that what you are looking for is what? X. Remember? Good. So If you bring out x here, if you bring out x, if you bring out x from here, what will happen? Don't worry, let me bring out minus x. Because if you bring out x, here will become minus, I hope you know, minus what? Minus what? Huh? If you fertilize this now and bring out this, bring out, there's x here, there's x here. Bring out x. Here remember what becomes what? Minus a, right? Here becomes what? Minus 1 now. But you divide this. If for you to bring out x, remember, for you to bring out this x from here, divide this by x, it will be what? Minus a. Divide this by x, it will be what? Minus what? Minus what? 1. If you want to know whether it's true, open it up by multiplying. X times minus a is what? Minus ax. X times minus 1 is what? Minus x. Is it clear? Is it clear? So if you want to bring out this x, if you want to bring out the x in factorization, you bring it out. Then use that x to divide everything inside the bracket. So x divided minus as is what? Minus a. X divided minus x is what? Minus 1. Have you left it now? Good. So here is what? Minus 1. Okay? Now, here is still what? B minus what? AB. Are we together? This is okay. But to save us stress, we can bring that minus s. We can bring that minus x instead of x. So if you bring out minus x from here now, here becomes what? Minus x. Here becomes what? A. Here becomes what? Plus 1. It shock you. I said to save us stress, we can, instead of bringing out x, we can bring out minus x. Don't worry, let me not confuse you. Let's bring out our minus our s, okay? Here is x minus what? A minus what? This one is clear, right? Good. So we divide this, for us to get s, we divide both sides by this, two of us. So here it becomes x minus a minus 1 over what? Minus 1 is equal to what? B minus AB over what? Minus A minus 1. Is it clear? Is it clear? Good. But I don't like it to be this way. I can bring out minus 1 from here. Hope you know. Hope you know. So if you bring out minus 1 out, it becomes B minus AB over minus 1. Here becomes what? Minus A again. Divide minus A by minus 1. Hey, good. Divide minus 1 by minus 1. 2. 1 plus 1. You can test it. Open up again. Minus 1 times A is what? Minus A. I follow you. Minus 1 times plus 1 is what? Minus 1. Is it clear now? Now, with this thing now, x is now, it's taking shape now. We cannot use this minus 1 to divide this up 1. Minus 1 divide B is what? Plus B is minus B. Two of us. Are you sure it's true? B over minus 1 is what? Minus B. Because plus is here now. Plus divided by minus is what? Minus. 1 divided B is what? B. Two of us. Two of us. Good. So here now, this minus 1 divide b, divide everything here. You have something like this, that x is now equal to what? Minus b. This divide minus ab is what? Minus 1 divide minus ab is what? Minus 1 divide minus ab is what? Plus ab now. Plus what? ab. All over what? A plus what? 1. Is it clear? Because after dividing them, it will disappear. True of us? Good. Now, let us rearrange this thing well now. It becomes what? AB minus what? Good. Minus B over what? A plus what? 1. This is the answer. Something can still be done here. Look at it. Tell me what you can do here. Look at it very well. Tell me what you copy the question. This is the answer, but I want us to write it properly. Tell me what can be done here. There's B here. There's B here. So what can we do? We factorize and bring it out, right? So x is now equal to do that. If you bring out b now, use this b to divide ab. What remain? A. Then use the same b to divide minus b. What remain? B divided minus b. Good. Minus what? 1 over what? A plus what? 1. This is final answer. B times A is AB. B times minus 1 is what? Minus B. Is it clear? That's the answer. This is change your subject of what? Formula. Violet BRB, you're welcome. Violet BRB, you're welcome. Please subscribe. Put this in now so we can go to the next question. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Touch the notification button so that whenever we go live, you'll be notified. Please invite your friends, your contact to join us. Share with your friends on your social media platforms. If you have any question, feel free to drop the question on the comment section. Or you can chat me up on WhatsApp for more questions. The WhatsApp number is plus the WhatsApp number is plus 243 813868 2003. You can drop your questions. Sorry, 234, not 243. Sorry. Thank you. 234. Yeah. Plus 234 81 3868 2003. Fast. So we can go to the next question. Are you done? Okay. So It's simple, right? It's not simple. Is it difficult? No, it's simple. It's a simple topic. Are you done? All right, so let's pick another question. The question says, make X the subject of the formula. B is equal to 1 over 2 outside square root of a squared minus x squared. To make x the subject of the formula. I'll give you 2 minutes to solve this question. 2 minutes to solve this question. Dear viewers, you also have 2 minutes to solve the question. If you solve it, drop the answer on the comment section. 2 minutes to solve the question. One minute more. 5 minutes to go. What the answer? Is it difficult to solve? Huh? Is it difficult? All right, you've tried. So let's solve this question. Let's look at it again. Solution. The question says b is equal to half square root of a squared minus x squared. Now remember, we have this half. Remember, our target is to move every other thing to this side except what? X squared. Except x, not even x squared. All together. Let's start with this half. You want to clear this half. What do? We multiply both sides by what? Hey, what are you saying? 1/2. If you want to clear it, what do? Let me rephrase. From here, this, if you multiply both sides now, both side by 2, this will disappear, half will disappear. Are you watching? Here is 2b, so 2b, okay, I use a step. Here 2b should be what? With what? S square minus what? S square, okay? That's what it should be. If you multiply both sides by 2, this is 2, this 2 multiply b is 2b. 2 multiply half is 1, which is invisible. And this one, okay? Now, we move what the next thing I did here is that because here is square root, we square both sides, but we want to work on this one here. We square both sides, that's what we did here. And if we square this one, you get 4b squared. If you square this one, this root sign will do what? Disappear. So we are left with this. We now rearrange by moving this minus s squared to this side and moving this 4b squared to this side. If minus s squared moves here, we have what? S squared, because this minus will turn to what? Positive. There's plus here. If it goes here, it becomes minus 4b squared. At this point now, what we're looking for is x, not s squared. So to remove this square, we find the square root of what? Both sides. So square root of this one is what? X. While square root of this will remain this. At this point, there's nothing you can do me again. So the answer is now x is equal to what? Plus or minus square root of a minus 4b squared. A minus 4b squared. I'll put it down. Solve one more question before we call it a day. The last question for the day. Let's solve one more question and we'll end it here. V is equal to pi h squared. In bracket, we have r minus h over 3. Make r the subject of the formula rule. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes, fast. Try. Don't give up before you start. Try. Drop your answer on the comment section. Let's see how far we can go. We have a minute, 30 seconds more. We are losing light. So let's be fast so we can solve this question before we lose light completely. H squared R H over 3. Our target is to make R the subject of the formula. Remember, R is within these brackets. So let's use what is here. Let's clear this in first. So we can free this bracket, okay? So to clear what is here, we divide both sides by what? This. Hope you know. So it becomes V over what? Pi s squared is equal to what? Pi s squared over what? Pi s squared. Remember that there's what? R minus H over what? 3 here. This we cancel. So we can move this to the 3 side, okay? We have that R minus H 3 over H over 3 is equal to what? V over what? Pi H squared. Is it clear? Good. Let's free this R. Okay? This minus this will come to this side, right? So R is now equal to what? V over what? Pi h squared. And if it comes here, it becomes what? Plus, right? Plus h over what? 3. So this is the SCM. Here becomes what? 3 what? Pi h squared. Pi h squared divide 3 pi h squared. 3 remain, right? 3 times v is what? 3v. Plus 3 divide 3 pi h squared. 3 will go, right? You know what? Pi h squared. Pi h squared times h is what? Pi h what? Cube. Good. Is there anything common here? So this is the answer. This is pi. Pi h what? Cube. This is the what? Answer. You have nothing else to do what? Factorize. Okay? Is it clear? This is the answer. You can put it down. You can put it down. This takes us up to 1 minute to solve. Very simple question. Very what? Simple question. So you can leave the answer like this. You can also leave the answer what? Like this. They are both what? Correct. Okay. Instead of trying to do this and commit an error, you can simply leave it like this. Okay. So this is the last question for the day. We'll stop here for the day. Any question? All right. Thank you very much for your attention. Dear viewers, thank you very much for being with us. Our viewers from India, from Nigeria, from different parts of the world, thank you very much. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. The channel name is Chetana TV. Subscribe and click on the notification button so that anytime we go online live, you'll be part of the classes. Tomorrow, this Saturday, we go over to physics. Between 4 and 6 p.m. Tomorrow we'll be here live for physics. All things being equal. And God will bless you as you join us. Please recommend this channel to your friends. Share the link to them. We are also simultaneously live on Facebook. So as you do so, as you support what we do, God will bless you. See you next time.